The 2026 BMW 2 Series brings athletic elegance and cutting-edge technology to your drive. With adaptive LED headlights for enhanced night visibility and mild hybrid technology for improved fuel efficiency, this car is designed to elevate your journey while keeping you ahead of the curve. Step inside to find a DAB radio for endless entertainment options and a luxury instrument panel offering an elegant, intuitive control experience. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge BMW today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 BMW 2 Series. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection, and tire and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.